Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
Keep an eye on the quality coming from that truck.
Looks good so far, but I see a few damaged ones.
This stage ensures uniform slicing for maximum crispiness.
Every refined and tested for quality.
Every pack passes strict quality checks before leaving the facility. We need to ensure the throughput remains consistent across all lines.
Yes, the current synchronization is optimal for this shift.
And that's how potato chips are made. 6 lines, from start to finish.